My viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the News Boss, where I update you with the latest happenings in Jamaica. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, share, and leave us a comment. Now to the news in details. A couple was shot and killed at their home on Old Harbour Road in St. Catherine early Sunday morning. The police are still trying to identify the deceased man and woman and establish a motive for the attack. Preliminary reports are that about 4 a.m., residents heard explosions at 46 Old Harbour Road, and about 10 a.m. checks were reportedly made at the dwelling and the two bodies seen. The police were alerted. They found the bodies on a bed in the board structure. Further checks revealed wounds to the upper bodies. The scene was processed and the bodies removed to a funeral home. The Major Crime Investigations Division and the St. Catherine North Police are investigating. A 55-year-old woman found dead at St. Anne Home. The Cave Valley Police in St. Anne are investigating the death of a 55-year-old woman whose body was discovered at her house on Friday evening. The deceased has been identified as Gwendolyn Thompson, otherwise called Pamela, of Cascade District in the parish. Reports are that about 6 p.m. on Friday, residents detected a foul odor coming from the house that she occupied. A group of residents forcibly entered the building and found Thompson's partially decomposed body face down on a bed. The police were summoned and the body removed by a funeral home to be stored for a post-mortem. It is reported that Thompson, who lived alone, was last seen alive on January 9. Man stabbed to death during altercation at home in St. Anne. A St. Anne man was stabbed to death at his home on Saturday. Dead is Peter James, otherwise called Copper, off Main Street, Ocherias in the parish. Reports are that sometime after 7 a.m., James and another man got into an argument when a stone was used to hit the other man to the head, causing a wound. A knife was brought into play and James was reportedly stabbed in the chest. The police were summoned and both men were taken to the hospital where James succumbed to his injuries and the other man treated and released into police custody. The identity of the other man is being withheld pending further investigations. The incident pushed the number of people killed in St. Anne's since the start of the year to at least 7. Some residents have expressed concern about the number of killings. One woman, Marisha Johnson, said, St. Anne has been in the news too often. Every minute it is another incident, next killing. St. Anne should be peaceful and it is not right now. Like the people them a try break the record with the killing, she lamented.